Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. So today I'm going to show you how you can delete duplicate contacts on iPhone. So for that you have to go to your contact list. So go to your contact list and from here tap iCloud, and then from here you can see I have two duplicates contact. So I'm going to tap view duplicates. From here I'm going to tap the first one. From here you have to merge it all together to make it one. So I'm going to merge it, tap merge to make it one. So I'm going to merge it, and look, that one contact is gone. And so here I have so many spam calls, so I'm going to merge duplicate. So yeah, this is how you can delete duplicate contacts from your phone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon button. Bye bye.